Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to walk you through my tool on FreeAudioTrim.com. I'll show you how to convert audio into text, also known as audio transcription. This will be a simple step-by-step tutorial. I will show you how the tool works, explain the available options, and guide you through the main features. Let's get started. First, go to the audio tools section, and from there, open audio to text converter. Here you have two options. You can either drag and drop your audio file, or you can click choose file and select the file from your computer. Before we continue, one important thing to know is that your files are not uploaded to any server. The file opens directly inside your browser on your own device. That means everything stays local and secure on your computer. Now let's select a file. For this example, I'm using a test audio file that I downloaded. It's a short story about turtle and a rabbit. Once the file is selected, you will see the file name appear here. The audio is ready for transcription. Now let's talk about the available models. On the desktop version, we currently have three models. Baby Raptor is the smaller model. Triceratops is the medium model. T-Rex is the larger model and more powerful model. The tool is designed to automatically check your computer's capabilities. It detects whether your device can use GPU or CPU processing. And based on your hardware, it enables the model that your computer can handle. This detection happens directly through your browser. The tool checks your browser and device capabilities, then decides which model are available. The tool works best on Chrome. Safari may work too, but it can struggle a little bit depending upon the device. I'm using a MacBook M1 Max, so all three models are available for me. For this example, I will start with Baby Raptor, the smaller model. Even though it is the smallest option, it can still do very good job, especially for English audio. So if your files is in English, Baby Raptor is usually a good choice. After selecting the model, you need to choose the language of your audio file or video file. This helps the model understand the audio better and gives you more accurate transcription results. For this example, I'll choose English because the audio file is in English. You will also see an option to enhance the audio. When this enabled, the tool will prepare the audio before transcription. It helps normalize the volume, clean the audio a little bit, and apply noise reduction, so the file is easier for transcription model to process. Now let's click load and transcribe. Since I have already used this model before, it is already saved in my browser cache. That means it does not need to download again. But if you're using the tool for the first time, the model will need to download first. Once downloaded, it will be stored in your browser cache. And just like that, the transcription is completed. Here are the results. You can see the transcript and timestamps are enabled. There is also a message letting us know that the audio was enhanced for better accuracy. Now let's check how well the model performed. We can play the audio and compare it with the transcription.
The lazy turtle and the rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a lazy turtle who loved sleeping under a big tree. Nearby lived a rabbit who was also lazy and always said, "I'll run tomorrow." One sunny morning, they decided to race.
As you can see,
the rabbit thought,
very good job.
"I'm fast, so..."
Once you're happy with the transcription, you can download it in different formats. You can download it as a TXT file, SRT file, or BTT file. Let's download the TXT file. You can see the file has been downloaded. When we open it, we can see the transcription is saved in TXT format. If you need subtitles, you can download the SRT or VTT version as well. Now let me show you another useful feature. Translation. You can translate the transcription into any language you want. Just click Translate, then choose the language you want to translate into. For this example, I'll translate the transcript into Arabic. Once you click Translate, the translation opens in a pop-up window. The tool uses Google Translate for this feature. And you can see the translated results right away. You can also download the translated version in your preferred format, such as TXT, SRT, or VTT. These files can be used directly in any video editing software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any other video editing tool that supports subtitle files. Now let's test another language. I'm going to select an Arabic audio because I understand Arabic and can check the transcription quality myself. I'll select the Arabic file. Choose Arabic as the language. Keep audio enhancement enabled and then click Transcribe. As you can see, the transcription loads very quickly. However, because we are using the smaller baby Raptor model, the results may not be perfect for every language. That's why we have the Edit Transcript feature. If you know the language and notice something is wrong, you can easily edit the transcript manually. For example, if I see a word or sentence that is incorrect, I can click Edit and type the correct version. You can take your time, fine-tune the transcript, and fix anything that needs correction. Once you're happy with the result, click Done Editing. After that, you can download the corrected transcript or translate it. Now, if your computer is powerful enough and you want better accuracy without doing much manual editing, you can try a larger model. Let's test the same Arabic file using the T-Rex model. I'll select the same file again. Choose T-Rex, and since my computer supports this model, I can use it. Now I'll click Load the model and transcribe. The model starts downloading, and then the transcription begins directly inside the browser. Here we go. The transcription is ready. Now let me play the audio and compare it with the text.
السلحفاة الكسولة والأرنب كان يا ما كان. في سلحفاة كسولة تحب تنام تحت شجرة كبيرة، وقريب منها كان يعيش أرنب وكان كسول بعد، وكل يوم يقول بكرة أركض. في يوم مشمس قرروا يسوون سباق. الأرنب قال في نفسه أنا سريع بلحق عليها بعدين.
The transcription is more accurate.
أما السلحفاة.
And in this case, I can download the file as it is. Again, I can download it as a TXT, SRT, or VTT. I can also translate it. For example, I'll translate this Arabic transcript into English. Once the translation is done, I can download the translated version as TXT, SRT, or VTT. Now let's check how the tool works on phone. I'll open the website on my phone and go to the transcription tool. Here we are on the phone version. I'll select the same file. As you can see on my phone, only Baby Raptor is available. That's because the tool automatically checks the device capability and only enables the model that the phone can handle. Now I will choose the language of the file and click the transcribe button. The model downloads quickly and now it starts transcribing the file. On the phone, the tool automatically divided the file into smaller chunks because mobile devices usually have lower memory compared to desktop computers. Now the transcription results are ready. Let's play the audio and check the results.
The Lazy Turtle and the Rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a lazy turtle who loved sleeping under a big tree. Nearby lived a rabbit who was also lazy and always said, "I'll run tomorrow."
As you can see, it still produces very nice results, even on the phone. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how the audio to text tool works. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.